Pricing isn't just about numbers, it's about psychology. As a freelancer, you might think clients decide based purely on your rate, but the truth is, how you present your price matters just as much as the price itself. If you know how to use psychological pricing strategies, you can make clients feel they're getting incredible value even when you charge more. The first trick is anchoring. Start by mentioning a higher number before revealing your actual rate. For example, say, my premium package for full campaigns is around $800, but for smaller projects, I offer one-time work for $400. By placing the higher number first, $400 instantly feels like a bargain, even though it's still profitable for you. Humans compare before deciding, so you create a mental reference point that makes your offer seem fair and even generous. The second trick is tiered pricing. Offer 3 options: basic, standard, and premium, with clear differences in features. Most clients will choose the middle one because it feels like the safest, most balanced choice. That's why so many subscription services use it. It works. If your standard package is the one you actually want to sell, structure your other 2 options to make it look like the best value. For instance, your basic package could be too limited, and your premium could feel luxurious but pricey. The result? The client naturally gravitates toward your middle offer. The third trick is framing your price as an investment, not a cost. Clients love feeling smart about their decisions. Instead of saying, I charge $500 for this, say, for $500, you get a complete rebrand that increases your visibility and saves you hours every month. You're not selling time, you're selling transformation. This shifts the conversation from price to value. The fourth trick is using the power of odd pricing, ending your rate in 9 or 7, like $497 instead of $500. Studies show that odd numbers make prices seem smaller and more precise, signaling that you calculated value carefully rather than inflating costs. It's a subtle but effective way to make your offer psychologically appealing. The fifth trick is creating scarcity or exclusivity. When clients feel they might miss out, they're more likely to act. You can say, I only take on 3 projects per month to ensure quality, or this rate applies until the end of this week. Urgency triggers decision-making and positions your service as high in demand. Another powerful technique is value stacking. List everything the client gets before mentioning your price. For example, you'll get a brand strategy session, logo redesign, and website optimization all for $600. By emphasizing the deliverables first, the final price feels small compared to the overall value. You can even show savings visually. Normally this bundle would cost $900 if purchased separately, but today I'm offering it for $600. That contrast reinforces that your offer is a deal. Then there's the decoy effect, a subtle tactic, where you include a less appealing option to make your target offer more attractive. Suppose you're selling content writing services. You can list 1 blog for $100, 3 blogs for $280, or 5 blogs for $500. The middle option now looks like the smartest choice because the smaller one seems overpriced per unit and the higher one feels expensive overall. Clients feel like they're making a rational decision, but you've designed that perception in